Hello, beloved and blessed one. Are you feeling complexed, low, and stressed? If yes, you have selected the right meditation to unwind. Life can be so much easier by seeing the positive side of everything. So join me in a wonderful out-of-body meditation which will anchor and ground your body to the earth so that you never feel that your problems are larger than life. In preparing for the following meditation, you would require 15 minutes of uninterrupted time. You may want to light an aromatic candle, put on some stereo headphones, and lie down comfortably on your stomach. There should not be a mat in between, as the connection with the ground is crucial. During this visualization, you will feel the out-of-body experience, where you look at yourself remaining grounded to the earth, and the gravitational force empowering you so that you never give up in life, because you or your problems are a very small energy sphere in the vast universe. This meditation will give you an experience of heaven on earth. It will rebalance you and guide you to the journey of inner peace. As you open yourself to receive the anchoring of your body all through the experiences of life, it will relax and refresh you and let go all your worries. Now seclude your space of all distractions. This is your time. If you do not respect and love yourself, the world never will. Switch off your phones, computer and TV. If you are wearing a watch or any other jewelry, kindly remove all and keep aside. Comfortably lie down on your stomach, facing downwards on the floor. Feel connected to the earth. Feel the immense power of gravity holding you like a magnet. Close your eyes now and relax your mind. Feel like you are embracing such a vast earth which will absorb all your worries and problems and keep you anchored with its magnetic force. Now take 3 long, slow, deep breaths. Breathe in slowly through your nose and hold. This is how you are holding on to your problems. As you feel uncomfortable, breathe out slowly through your mouth. Imagine sending all your problems back to the universe. Breathe in again to the fullest of your capacity. Imagine that you are absorbing all the unconditional happiness and love that the earth gives to all, and hold. Now breathe out slowly through your mouth all the feelings of unhappiness and betrayal that you may have within you. Breathe in again and feel that you are filling your brain with the strength of the earth, and imagine cleaning every corner of the brain. Now breathe out all the ill feelings and hatred and negativity you may have for anyone in life. Forgive yourself and others whom you may have hurt or who may have hurt you knowingly or unknowingly. Now keep breathing normally. Relax. Imagine being out of your body and look at yourself lying down facing downwards. Feel connected to the ground, the floor, the earth, which is holding you with its strong gravitational force. Keep breathing and seeing yourself. Imagine going further away towards the sky and look down. See your apartment or bungalow and look at yourself lying down in the room you are. Feel connected. You belong to that place. Move further and imagine seeing your building. Feel connected. You belong to that building. It's yours among so many other buildings. It is where you live. Keep moving further above towards the sky and look down again. See your colony. Feel connected. You belong to that colony. Keep breathing softly. Your nerves will relax on their own as you just see yourself lying down, calm and relaxed. Now move further and see your city. Feel connected. You belong to that city among all the other cities around. Keep moving further above and see your state. Among so many other states, you belong to that state that you see. Keep breathing normal and relax. Move further and further towards the sky and look down. See your country. Among so many countries around, there is where you belong. Feel connected. Look around. There are clouds and birds chirping. Keep imagining. Keep feeling the happiness. Now keep each worry that you have on a cloud that is passing by and let it drift far away from you. Move above further towards the blue sky. Look down. See the continent. You belong to that continent. Feel connected. In the whole world, there is where you belong. Now keep moving ahead towards the sky, which is seamless, has no beginning or end. Keep breathing. Feel the freedom. Look down, see the land and water. Feel connected. You belong there on that land. Now look around yourself. There are clouds below you, clouds around you. Feel the calmness and the peace. No sound, no one around, just you. Keep moving ahead, away from the gravitational force of the earth. You are now floating in space. There is no fear of falling. You can see the earth. You are far away from the earth. You are free from all the earthly things. No binding, no tension, no worries, nothing around except you and your peace. Feel light, with all your nerves relaxed. See the earth. You belong to that earth. Feel connected. The earth is yours. You belong to it. You are now in space, many, many light years away. You have left everything far behind you. Keep moving and smiling and feel light and happy. See the stars, satellites and planets around you. Just feel the light atmosphere. Keep floating. Keep moving in space, relaxed and calm. Imagine the color you like. Touch this heavenly color and feel it swirling around you with little twinkling stars and showering you with happiness, calmness and peace. Keep breathing normally. Indulge in the calmness. Feel the bliss, the happiness around. Feel light and happy. Keep floating. Keep breathing normally. Now slowly look down and see your body there, lying down on the earth's surface. It is actually hanging in space and not falling because of the gravitational force. You have such a strong force of gravity giving you the strength to deal with all in life. There you are, such a tiny being in the vast universe. And your problems are like an atom and very easy to manage. Forget everything in between. Just remember this bliss of the space with the whole universe around you, all being taken care by the Supreme Being. Look down and feel the connection with the earth. You belong to this space around you and are a part of the whole universe. The Supreme Being is taking care of all this and is taking care of you too. Feel connected to this supreme power. Let this calmness and happiness and relaxed feeling become a part of you. Keep breathing normally. Let this peace and bliss of space remain with you on the earth too. You are a part of this vast universe and the Supreme Being, and have the capacity to deal with all that life has in store for you. Now thank the universe and the Supreme Being for making you feel lighter and happier. Look down and let's start floating back to where you are lying down on the earth's surface. Slowly float from the space towards the clouds. Keep floating towards the earth and come back to your body where you are lying down on your stomach. Now slowly move your fingers and feel your existence. Stretch your body, and whenever you feel like, slowly open your eyes with a smile. Slowly sit down and feel the strength within, feeling light and happy. Love yourself and keep smiling always. Thank you for selecting this creation of mine. Hope you are feeling relaxed and could connect to your inner peace. Have a lovely life. May God walk with you always.